Find out how to remove the plant and treat the rash. In this video we are going to tell you how to get rid of poison ivy. Poison ivy is a plant that is found throughout North America and is known for causing an itchy, red rash when it comes into contact with skin. The rash is caused by an oil called urushiol, which is found in the leaves, stems, and roots of the plant. Getting rid of poison ivy is important to prevent the spread of the rash and to avoid future exposure. In this video, we will discuss some effective ways to get rid of poison ivy. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. The first step in getting rid of poison ivy is to identify the plant. Poison ivy has 3 leaflets and can grow as a vine or a shrub. It often has a reddish tinge to the leaves in the spring and can have white berries in the fall. When working with poison ivy, it is important to wear protective clothing to avoid contact with the plant. Wear long pants, long sleeves, gloves, and shoes to cover as much skin as possible. Wash any clothing or equipment that comes into contact with the plant. There are several methods for removing poison ivy, including pulling it up by the roots, cutting it down, and using herbicides. If you choose to pull up the plant, be sure to wear protective clothing and gloves. Use a shovel to dig around the roots and gently pull the plant up. Place the plant in a plastic bag and dispose of it in the trash. If you choose to cut down the plant, use a saw or pruning shears to cut the stem close to the ground. Be sure to dispose of the plant in a plastic bag. If you choose to use herbicides, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. After removing the poison ivy, it is important to clean up the area to prevent future exposure. Wash any tools, clothing, or equipment that came into contact with the plant with soap and water. Rinse the area with water and avoid touching the ground where the plant was growing. If you have come into contact with poison ivy and developed a rash, there are several ways to treat it. Wash the affected area with soap and water to remove any remaining urushiol. Apply calamine lotion or hydrocortisone cream to the rash to reduce itching and inflammation. Take an antihistamine to reduce itching and swelling. Getting rid of poison ivy requires careful identification of the plant, wearing protective clothing, and using effective removal methods. It is important to clean up the area and treat any rashes that may develop. By following these steps, you can effectively get rid of poison ivy and avoid future exposure. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Good luck and see you in the next video.